What's up everyone, Daniel here with the Pedal Peasants YouTube channel. Thank you all for tuning in today, I appreciate you. Within this video, we are going to be taking a close-up look at some Insta360 X3 must-have accessories. Should you have any questions at any point throughout this video, I encourage you to drop a comment down below. I'll do my absolute best to assist you in the best possible direction. I will also leave links for you in the description below for all of this gear right here that you see, so you can check it out on your end. With that being said, let's dive straight on into this. Let's take a close-up look here at the sticky lens guards, and these are going to be for the Insta360 X3 camera. And I also did an in-depth review on the X3, so if you haven't, be sure to check that out. It is available on my YouTube channel. When you get these sticky lenses, this is what they come in. This is what the packaging looks like right here. As you can see, it does have a pair of sticky lenses right there, and these are going to protect the lens on the Insta360. The first day that I took my Insta360 out on my 8000 watt stealth bomber, I almost ran into a wooden fence with the camera, which is why I chose to go ahead and invest into these lenses right here. And this is what comes inside right here. So it has some adhesive rings right there, as you can see. And then we have an applying pick is what I'm going to refer to it as. And everything is laid out on the table for you to see, along with some user manuals. This right here is the Insta360 battery. I did get an extra battery because I want to be able to record hours on end on the go. So for me personally, I have two batteries for my Insta360. When you purchase a battery, when you choose to invest into one, this is the packaging that it comes in, so you can be acquainted with what you could expect on your end. Allow me to show you what the actual battery looks like. As you can see, it comes within this plastic casing. This is a hard plastic shell casing right here that you see. The battery fits in there snug, nice and neat, and it is protected with that hard plastic shell. This is what the battery looks like up close. It is light, it is kind of compact. So this is the battery right there, and I highly recommend investing into another battery, especially if you're going to be doing a lot of recording on the go. It even has a slot for an SD card, as you can see right there, which I also did invest into an extra SD card. My goal is to be able to record hours on the go, so I needed an extra battery and I needed an SD. As you can see, taking out the battery and replacing it is almost as easy as 1, 2, 3. You just flick the two buttons, as you can see that I did there. I just pinch them, the battery pops out, and then you replace it accordingly. Moving on now, here we have the user manual, and this is going to be for the sticky lenses right here. And to apply the sticky lenses is actually really straightforward. Feel free to pause at any point throughout this video so that way you can thoroughly read that on your end. For those who are wanting to see these sticky lenses up close, this is what they look like. Allow me to actually open up the packaging here and I'll show you what a sticky lens looks like close up. This right here is the front sticky lens, and according to the instructions you can kind of get that all figured out where you're going to place them on. But again, it's actually really straight front. It's going to go like so. With these sticky lenses, it does have a cleaning cloth. For me personally, I always have to carry one of these on the go just in case I ever need to clean my lenses. I would always recommend to have some sort of cleaning cloth on you so that way you can clean them at moment's notice, so that way you don't have to use a shirt or something to this extent. But moving on here, this is the installation manual right here that we're going to use to apply these sticky lenses. And again, everything is pretty straightforward. As you can see, all of the instructions are listed accordingly. Just make sure that you follow, you match everything up, and you line it all up as it states right here. But for me personally, I've never done anything like this in my life, and the installation wasn't too hard at all. So I kind of feel if I'm able to figure this out, I feel like most of us will be able to do so. Or you can simply watch this part of my video and reference this part of my video to go about applying your sticky lenses. I am going to do it right here with you all on camera. So where I'm beginning is by cleaning the camera, making sure that the lenses are super clean, as clean as I can possibly get them. And then I'm going to peel off the layer right here that you see, this blue film, and I'm going to place the sticky lens on the lens, as you can see. So the front lens is going to be with the screen facing us. So whenever you're holding the camera in your hand and the screen from the X3 is facing you, I'm assuming that's going to be considered the front. These sticky lenses are not like a soft plastic. They are kind of like a hard shell plastic. So for those who are curious, there is like a hard shell plastic layer over your original lens, and those are the sticky lenses that you see me putting on right here. They're not a soft plastic, and I haven't mentioned that, but I felt like I wanted to touch base on that they are a tough plastic. I do feel like these are going to do a good job at protecting the original lens on the X3. I also want to point out that when we record with the X3, the sticky lenses do not interfere with the quality of recording or anything like that. The recordings are exactly the same as they would be with or without the sticky lenses. So just to confirm, the sticky lenses do not interfere with the recording from the X3. Right here is an extra SD card. For me personally, this is another must-have, as I am personally looking to get as much content as I can get for the longest amount of time that I can get it. So I needed an extra battery, I needed more storage. But here is a video on some Insta360 X3 must-have accessories from the battery, the SD card. We have the sticky lenses, battery for longer shoot time, SD card for more storage, and the sticky lenses to protect our investment. Now, if I didn't touch base on something specific, or if you have any questions at all, I'm going to highly encourage you to drop a comment down below, and I will do my absolute best to assist you in the best possible direction. I also have social medias under the same name as this YouTube channel. I would truly appreciate your support on there as well. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for me and ring that bell, as I will be bringing more videos like this for you all. Thank you for tuning in yet again. You have a great day.